What do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me.
Yeah, see, I could turn in my iPhone right now.
Yeah, purple cat. What do you see? I see a white dog looking at me.
Why don't you take me to the Apple store for my birthday?
White dog. What do
dinner.
you see?
Okay.
Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Children, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me.
Okay, maybe you could do that as a gift to me, babe.
Mm-hmm.